So, in this session, actually, we'll be seeing about the continuation of the date functions. So, here, what we'll be seeing is month, year, and date function, and text function we'll be seeing. So, now let us say I have a list of set of dates here. Okay, I wanted to know what is the month of the particular dates. So what I'm going to give is equal to, okay, so month of, so equal to month of, it asks for the serial number. Okay, so you're going to select the month and just close your bracket and just give enter. So obviously this is the third month of your the date which has been provided. And here if I wanted to find the remaining dates, I have to just drag it down. So you'll be getting the corresponding month values of the dates which you have given here. So this is how this works. So let us say I'm just going to give May instead of 5, I'm just going to give May. Let us see whether the value works. Just give. So it automatically takes as May here. So 5 here. Let us say I'm going to type June. Whether let us see the value changes. Yes, the value changes because the date format automatically, if I'm going to type it here, let us say April, it will automatically convert it as 4 here itself. So here also the value changes. So obviously when you're using the formula, it is taking serial numbers. So make sure it is in this format which you are giving it here. Now let us move on to another simple function, which is year function. So in this year function, what is going to be the formula, or what it does do is it returns the year's value. Okay, so what is the value of the particular year or the date you're giving it? So I'm just going to give equal to year of the serial number. I'm just going to select it. Just give enter. So you get the year value alone. Let us say you have a series of date in a particular column, and you wanted to extract only the year or a particular month there, then you can use this formula. Okay, so you can just drag it down and you'll get only the your value alone separately. So this will be useful when you're doing some projects or something like that. Now let us say I want to find the year of today's date. Okay, so how you will be using it, which is equal to year of, open your bracket, now type today, today of, just close your bracket, just give enter. So obviously today is 2024, that is the year, so you'll be getting 2024. Now let us move on to another function, the third function, which is date function. So this date function, actually the syntax for it is date of year, month, and day. You have to give those values, and it will consolidate and give it in a format. Okay, that is the that is the function of date. Okay, so where this will be useful is, let us say you are having your year, month, and day in a separate column, and you wanted to merge all those things, then you can obviously use this formula. Okay, so what I'm going to do is equal to date of year, month, and day. I'm going to give, let us say going to give 2019 example. Okay, month is, I'm going to give the month as 7, which is July, and the date which I wanted is, let us say I'm going to give 19 as the date. Just give enter. So you can see you get the consolidated date here. So this is the what work date function does. Now, as we have seen earlier in the now function, we have seen a table. The same thing here. They are represented as whole numbers. Okay. So when you wanted to minus hours, since we are not using date function, we'll be using the whole numbers only here. So if you wanted to subtract 5 days, obviously what you'll be using a minus symbol. So equal to date of, so they're asking subtract 5 days from May 2015. So I'm just giving 2015, comma, the month which I wanted. So the month is May means 5, comma, the day is 20. So this is the date which we'll extract, and they're asking you have to minus 5 days from it. So just give minus 5. Just give enter. So you'll be getting what? 15/5/2015. Let us say in the same question is they are asking add 5 days from May 2015, or let me change the value. I'll give June 20, or June 10 2021. So this is my question. So I have to add 10 days from June 2021. In days also will change. 7 days. Okay. So 7 days from June 10 2021 is my question. So how we'll be working it out? Equal to um, date of the year is 2021, comma, the month is June, so 6, comma, the day is 10. Just close your bracket. Earlier question it was subtract, so we were minusing 5. So here the question is add 7 days. So I'm going to give plus 7. Just give enter. So obviously you could see you're getting the value which is added to 7. 10 which is 17/6/2021. Next function